how to create a services page on your LinkedIn company page. So let's dive in. My name is Louise Brogan and I help companies and organizations who want to leverage LinkedIn to get more leads and sales. On my company page, which is called Louise Brogan Limited Video Content Marketing, so there's my personal profile and then there's my video page. And on here, we have a tab that says services. Now, if you are a product-based company, and that's software products or physical products, you have the option to add a products page. But today we're going to focus on the services page. And this is only available for companies that have got less than 500 employees. That's a key point to note. So for my enterprise level clients, we cannot add this services page in. But what does it look like on services? So we have an overview, we have a button where people can request services, we have where it's available, the pricing, a list of services provided, we can add some media in, and we can add in the products here at the bottom, the services, not the products, sorry, the services. So let's have a look and see how to set this up. I'm going to go and use a different page so I can show you how to set it up from scratch. So we're going to be on this company page and we are now in the admin view of the company page. Your admin view is only for people who are admins on your LinkedIn company page. And we have some content here on the YouTube channel where you can go and see how to set somebody up as an admin. So LinkedIn does not make a lot of things, does not make some things obvious on how to do them. In order to add your services page to your LinkedIn company page, you need to actually go to the create button at the top here. So click on create and you will see this is the same place where you can start your posts. So down at the very bottom here, it says add services. This is also where you can add your products, but we're not adding products today. We are adding services. So let's click on the add services option. And it says you can showcase your services. You can do project management, increase your reach and get leads, which sounds fantastic. Let's click on the next button. So what services are we providing? So for this client, we are providing consultancy and we are going to provide executive coaching, leadership development. That's under consulting. We are going to provide business consulting, management consulting, and you only want to put in what you actually are providing. So let's add those things in and we're going to click done. So tell us about your company services and what makes you stand out. And we've got 500 words here. So the easiest thing to do is go to our website and pull the content from there. So we're going to click back to our company page and I'm going to paste in the approved copywriting. So where do we provide this content? We can provide it in Texas and we can also provide it remotely. We are not going to put our pricing on. So we're going to say contact for pricing and we are going to click publish. Simple as that. Now that is just the beginning. Okay. So what we want to do then is we want to go to the service page and we're going to set it up. So don't think once you hit publish, you are done. You are not done. What we want to do now is add in all of these things here. So let's go to upload work samples. And this would be for this client. So I now have a link to one of our YouTube videos. I'm going to click on continue. And it's a must-have Clifton Strengths handout and the Clifton Strengths resource every coach needs. And I'm going to say, there we go. And this is tell us more about this work sample. And you add up to 8 media items. So I'm going to add in some more content here. Okay. So you can add in lots of different things in here, but we're going to put in those 2 main ones. And scroll down. So we have now got our overview, our services provided, and some media. So let's see what this looks like. Let's double click on edit page, add services, about section, pricing, media, allow clients to request, yes, okay, and click save. Okay, and let's see, click on more. So view as clients, you want to see what it looks like to the client. And here we have the services on here. Okay, that is how you set up a services page on your company page here on LinkedIn. And now people can click on request services and walk through choosing one of these. You will then get, this will arrive into your company page inbox. And I'll show you what that looks like on my own company page. So over on here, this is your inbox, and this is where these requests will start to come in. Okay? All right, any questions about this, please do let me know below. If you have seen this before or are using it, we all love to share tips on and advice. So do let me know what you are doing with the services page on LinkedIn company pages.